Hello everyone. Do you face any challenge while managing your social media platforms all at once? Or do you face any challenges while managing your reports, analytics, your hashtags, or your competitor? So, this is the right video for you. We will demo you some set of tools that will help you in your social media management. So, let's get started. Here are the features that we are going to talk about in this video. We will talk about how to automate your publishing and scheduling posts, how to do auto post with the smart cues, social inbox and engagement, monitoring keywords, hashtags and mentions, analytics dashboards, and customized reports. If all these will be done at the right times, at the right media channels, it will create a detailed personalized experience for your users. So let's get started with this. Here's the post scheduler dashboard that will help you to schedule your post. You just have to connect your social media account with this dashboard. Just type in your message right over here. You can post it now or you can schedule it later using this add schedule button. You can add a time and a calendar according to your need. You can also monitor the hashtag. You can also get the suggested hashtag for a particular keyword. You can use that also. You can also set up a calendar according to the month or week. You can also get a post preview right here. So it will help you to schedule your post for different days according to your need. Here are Here are multiple options that you can use for your post scheduling using this publishing option. You can have a publish and scheduling option. You can have a visual calendar and scheduling. You can auto post with queues, auto post with RSS, and a media library and a cover photo update. These are the options that are provided by publishing dashboard. You can also have an inbox that will show you all your messages, all your tweets, all your retweets, and all the mentions that you have been on your profile. You can also have an option to add your favorite feeds, your monitor keywords and hashtag feeds, your suggested content feed, your curated RSS atom feed, your feedly feed, and your pocket pop-up. So let's move on to this. Let's talk about how to monitor your keywords and hashtag feeds. You just have to click on add feed, choose a profile. You can have a search type like search profiles, people's search contest related to tweets, add a Twitter list. I'm going with the recent tweets. You can have a search term here, a mentioned user here, hashtag like I'm adding digital. You can have it for location, for a particular location. You can exclude some users, you can exclude your followers. You can have a positive or negative type of sentiment. You can choose anyone. You can choose language, any language you want, and then just you have to click on the preview feed. It will preview up all the tweets related to your hashtag. So in this way, it will be very helpful for you to monitor a particular hashtag or a particular keyword for any tweet. So let's talk about the analytics. Here we provide several analytics for different platforms like for Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google Analytics. So you have just to integrate them. I have only integrated my Twitter account, so it will only show my Twitter reports. Here's my Twitter report in which it will show us all our followers, our following list, our tweets, mentions, new followers, followings, mentions, and Twitter stats by profile. It will show our performance on a particular profile. So it will be very helpful for us to track our performance, our tweets, what's going good and what's going bad. It will be very helpful for us to plan a strategy for our social media for further increasing our engagement and interacting with the audience. If you are facing these challenges while managing your social media platforms or in social media management, please do let us know. Feel free to contact us. We are a team that will be happy to understand your business and will be happy to help you. Thanks a lot.